Hi everyone, welcome to the new episode. Today I want to show you how to make dishes with breadfruit. And if you didn't see the former video about how to collect breadfruit, you can click the information up here to see the former video. And let's start today's video. Let's go! And by the way, as staple food, it should be easy to cook and easy to prepare. So I'm gonna show you how to deal with breadfruit. So now we take the breadfruit out of fridge. And now we prepare our chicken. And after that, we're gonna season it. A bowl, mustard grain, turmeric, and salt. So we're gonna season it. And also, I would like to add some vinegar. And then we just use a brush to get the soils on the chicken. So the first step, we're going to fry our breadfruit. So we add a little bit oil on the pan. Till it is hard. And we add our breadfruit. And for 1 or 2 minutes, you can check the color on it or not. You see, you have to make sure that every surface got this oil on it. After the fried it, the surface will turn brown. So at that time, we can put a side on it. Don't let it touch on the pan. And add the type. So at this moment, we gotta to put our pan into the oven. And we're gonna bake it for another 35 minutes. And after 35 minutes baking, we're gonna take off our food and we'll take to our customers. Hey, do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Hey, do you want to eat?